Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way, in which we will study the verb tawalla. By the way, this is the last lesson of our course 3. In this, we will be learning mazid fi form. You know, mazid fi verbs are those which have extra letters in their 3-letter root. So from alima to allama or salima to aslama, and to remember these forms, we have 3 sentences, the connector sentences. So remember those connector sentences, and inshallah you'll remember the 8 mazid fi. So let us start with first one. Repeat after me. Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
And the last sentence is do tadabbur and tadarus. Where? In the Quran. Do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Do tadabbur and tadarus to have a better inqilab to Allah.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Tadabbara, tadarasa, inqalaba.
Alright, in the last 2 courses, we have learned 3-letter sound verbs and weak verbs. Sound verbs are like fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a, or weak verbs like wahaba, wa'ada, qala, zada, da'a, hada. And also, verbs with repeated letters and verbs with hamza. But just like we have sound verbs and weak verbs in 3-letter verbs, we can have them in mazid fi also. So we have mazid fi sound verbs like allama, hasaba, aslama, or mazid fi weak verbs like walla, nada, alqa, ihtada, aqama, ittaqa, istaqama. Today we will take a weak verb, tawalla. Tawalla is on the pattern of tadabbara. Tawalla means he turned away, and it also means he became friend of someone or he took someone as an ally. Tawalla, as I said, is on the pattern of tadabbara. So we have from dabara, tadabbara. So wala, tawalla. Tadabbara, tawalla. Here is an interesting link on these patterns of verbs. Interesting link for these patterns of verbs. We have learnt allama. Allama means taught. Ta'allama means learned. Ta'allama is on the tadabbara. So you will have tadabbara patterns and allama patterns. Nazzala means sent down. Tanazzala means came down. So this is cause and effect relationship. Allama, ta'allama. Nazzala, tanazzala. Farraqa means divided. People divided things. Tafarraqa means became divided. Baddala means changed. Tabaddala means got changed. And walla means turned. Tawalla means turned away. Okay. So these are like cause and effect relationships. Alright. So we are taking tawalla. Tawalla means he turned away. Let's take one meaning. So tawalla is ending with a weak letter and the sound is a. So this is same as hada. So the plural of hada is hadaw. Plural of tawalla is tawallaw. So let us practice and take some more verbs which we have taken earlier. So can you give me the plurals? Hada, hadaw. Walla, wallaw. Nada, nadaw. Alqa, alqaw. Ihtada, ihtadaw. Tawalla, tawallaw. MashaAllah. Alim. So now we have learned tawalla. The plural of tawalla is tawallaw. We can make the rest tawallaita, tawallaitu, tawallaitu, tawallaitum, tawallaina. So can you translate with actions? Bismillah. Tawalla.
He turned away.
Tawallaw.
They turned away.
Tawallaita.
You turned away.
Tawallaitu.
I turned away.
Tawallaitum.
You all turned away.
Tawallaina.
We turned away.
Repeat after me 2 times. Tawalla, tawallaw.
Tawalla, tawallaw. Tawalla, tawallaw.
Tawallaita, tawallaitu.
Tawallaita, tawallaitu. توليت توليت
توليتم تولينا
توليتم تولينا توليتم تولينا.
Okay, now can you repeat these forms with me? Bismillah.
تولى تولوا توليت توليت توليتم تولينا.
Again. تولى تولوا توليت توليت توليتم تولينا. ما شاء الله. علم. He turned away. In that sense, let us do spoken Arabic. Let's take spoken Arabic. Hal tawalla. Did he turn away? I would say ma tawalla. No, he did not turn away. So we negate the madi with ma. So hal tawalla. Did he turn away? We'll say ma tawalla. Hal tawallaw. Did they turn away? Say ma tawallaw. No, they did not turn away. Answer me. Hal tawalla.
ما تولى
Hal tawallaw.
ما تولوا
Again. Hal tawalla.
ما تولى
هل تولوا
ما تولوا.
علم. Now between you and me, هل توليت, did you turn away? And you will say ما توليت, I did not turn away. هل توليتم ما تولينا. So answer me. هل توليت
ما توليت
هل توليتم.
ما تولينا
Again. هل توليت
ما توليت
هل توليتم.
ما تولينا.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take fi'l mudari. It is on the pattern of tadabbara, we told you. So tadabbara yatadabbaru. Okay. Tadabbara is yatadabbaru. So tawalla yatawalla. There is no e here. Yatawalla. Yatawalla. He turns away. Because it is a at the end again. A at the end. So the plural also will be yatawallaw. And the noon will be there for this specific pattern. So yaf'alu yaf'aluna. So yatawalla yatawallawna. It's not yatawalluna. It's no more like yahdi because it is yatawalla. It is not yatawalli. It is yatawalla. So plural will be yatawallawna. Tatawalla atawalla tatawallawna natawalla. So yatawalla means he turns away. Can you translate with actions? Yatawalla.
He turns away.
Yatawallawna.
They turn away.
Tatawalla. You turn away. Atawalla.
I turn away.
Tatawallawna.
You all turn away.
Natawalla.
We turn away.
Repeat after me 2 times. Yatawalla. Yatawallawna.
يتولى يتولون يتولى يتولون.
Tatawalla. Atawalla.
أتولى أتولى تتولى أتولى.
Tatawallawna. Natawalla.
تتولون نتولى تتولون نتولى.
Okay, can you repeat these forms with me? Bismillah. يتولى يتولون.
تتولى أتولى تتولون نتولى.
Again.
يتولى يتولون تتولى أتولى تتولون نتولى.
علم. Alright, let's take spoken Arabic. هل يتولى, does he turn away? So you will say لا يتولى. Mudari is negated by لا. لا يتولى, he does not turn away. هل يتولون. لا يتولون. Answer me. هل يتولى.
لا يتولى.
هل يتولون.
لا يتولون.
Again. هل يتولى.
لا يتولى.
هل يتولون.
لا يتولون.
علم. Okay, now let us take the talk between you and me. هل تتولى, do you turn away? So you will say لا أتولى, I don't turn away. هل تتولون. لا نتولى. Answer me. هل تتولى.
لا أتولى.
هل تتولون.
لا نتولى.
Again. هل تتولى.
لا أتولى.
هل تتولون.
لا نتولى.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take Amr. Amr in Mazid Fi is very easy. But when it comes to Tadabbara and Tadarasa, remember, you should not have any kasra. You don't go down. So Tadabbara is Tadabbar. It's not Tadabbir. No, in conventionally, routinely we had E there, kasra before the last letter, like allama, allim, hasaba, hasib, aslama, aslim. But tadabbara, tadabbar. It's not tadabbir. You don't go down. You don't stop doing tadabbur of the Quran. Something like that. Just to remember that. So similarly, tadarasa, tadaras. It is not tadaris. For these two, the amr has no kasra. Tadabbara, tadabbar. So similarly, tawalla, tawalla. The weak letter ya runs away. Tawalla, turn away. And the plural also, because this is tawalla. The plural will be tawallaw. A or a will have aw. Okay. Tawalla, tawallaw. Only in ihdi, ihdu. Walli, wallu. Nadi, nadu. That was when e was there. Here it is a. Tawalla. So tawallaw. So we have tawalla, fi'l madi, tawallaw. Yatawalla, yatawallawna. Tawalla, tawallaw. Okay, so I hope you are getting the pattern. Whenever it is a or a, it will be aw. So can you translate now? Tawalla,
Turn away.
tawallaw,
Turn away.
la tatawalla,
Don't turn away.
la tatawallaw,
Don't turn away.
Repeat after me 2 times. Tawalla, tawallaw,
Tawalla, tawallaw. Tawalla, tawallaw.
la tatawalla, la tatawallaw.
لا تتولى لا تتولوا لا تتولى لا تتولوا.
Okay, with me 2 times. Bismillah.
تولى تولوا لا تتولى لا تتولوا. تولى تولوا لا تتولى لا تتولوا.
Allim. Okay, if I say la tatawalla, don't turn away, what will you say? La atawalla, I don't turn away. I will not turn away. La tatawallaw, then it will be la natawalla, we don't turn away. Can you answer me? La tatawalla,
لا أتولى
la tatawallaw.
لا نتولى.
Again, la tatawalla,
لا أتولى
la tatawallaw.
لا نتولى.
Allim. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take fa'il and maf'ul of tawalla. As we told you, tawalla is on the pattern of tadabbara. Tadabbara. Mutadabbir, mutadabbar. Okay. This one is same. You just put the mu, me with dhamma mu, on the mouth of madi. Like allama, muallim, muallam. Hasaba, muhasib, muhasab. Similarly, tadabbara, mutadabbir, mutadabbar. So when it comes to tawalla, you have mutawallin, mutawalla. That mutawallin is because of the weak letter, and the reason will be explained to you in future courses somewhere, inshallah. Mutawallin means the one who turns away. Mutawalla, well, mutawalla also means to take someone as friend. So mutawallin, the one who takes someone as friend. Mutawalla, that who is taken as friend, and so on. But we will keep this mutawalla for our practice. And tawallin is to turn away. Tawallin. Alright. Can you translate mutawallin?
One who turns away.
One who turns away. And mutawalla, and then tawallin?
To turn away.
Repeat after me 2 times. Mutawallin, mutawalla, tawallin.
متول متولى تول.
Again.
متول متولى تول.
With me.
متول متولى تول.
Again.
متول متولى تول.
Allim. Alright, we are left with 2 forms. Huwa tawalla, hiya tawallat. Okay. Just you kill that alif, but you don't say tawallat, tawallat. Hada, hadat, walla, wallat, nada, nadat, ihtada, ihtadat, ittaqa, ittaqat. So you are used to these forms. Okay. Huwa yatawalla, he turns away. Hiya tatawalla, she turns away. Can you answer me? Huwa tawalla, hiya
تولت.
هو يتولى هي
تتولى.
ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. We got the whole table ready now. Can you repeat the whole table with me? Bismillah.
تولى تولوا توليت توليت توليتم تولينا يتولى يتولون تتولى أتولى تتولون نتولى تولى تولوا لا تتولى لا تتولوا متول متولى تول
And the last two.
تولت تتولى.
MashaAllah. Alim. Alhamdulillah, and with this we have the 6 keys also ready with us. So can you repeat after me? Tawalla, yatawalla, tawalla.
تولى يتولى تولى
Mutawallin, mutawalla, tawallin.
متول متولى تول.
With me, Bismillah.
تولى يتولى تولى متول متولى تول.
Alim. Memorize the table for tawalla thoroughly and answer the questions given in the workbook. And on the same pattern, you have another verb, tawaffa. Tawaffa means he took. He took, and it is used in the context of death. Okay, tawaffa. He took the soul or whatever. Tawaffa. Tawaffa, tawaffaw. Tawaffaita, tawaffaitu. Tawaffaitum, tawaffaina. Yatawaffa, yatawaffawna. Tatawaffa, atawaffa, tatawaffawna. Natawaffa. Tawaffa, tawaffaw. La tatawaffa, la tatawaffaw. Mutawaffin, mutawaffa, tawaffin. Tawaffat, tatawaffa. Alhamdulillah. So don't forget the verb codes. Verb codes for mazid fi always have a plus sign. And for weak verbs of 3-letter root, you have 2 letters like wa'a, qa, za, da'a, and so on. And for fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a, the sound verbs, you just have fa, noon, dot, sin. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos. And if you cannot be continually doing them, then try to then get one-to-one classes from our website, understandquran.com. You can learn with your whole family or teach your kids also. And the best way to learn is to be a teacher. Download the PPTs and start teaching people. If you want teachers training, it's available at our website. Don't stop here. Keep going. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next course, because from now on, you will have only one new word from the 11th page of Surah Al-Baqarah on the average of the whole page. You will have only one new word per page. So the course is extremely simple, and inshallah, we will have some more grammar on Nahw and so on. So inshallah, see you there in the next course. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. جزاكم الله خير. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a Teachers Resource Center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum